Hello to you, all jewelry maker guys. Today we are going to make this very beautiful wire prong setting for a stone, a synthetic or a natural one. So continue watching this tutorial to learn about how to make this very beautiful ring, and also subscribe this channel to learn more. All we need a 0.8 millimeter in diameter of wire that I'm using a copper one. Our main tools: round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter, and also a pen, pencil, and a piece of paper to draw the map on. And of course, a stone to make this very beautiful wire ring. To start, we need to draw an overall map that we are going to suit to make this structure. This is our stone, and this would be the structure that we need. That starts from this part, and it would wrap all around a mandrel or a cylindrical shape, and here we need 3 of these U shapes, and again it would roll back to end here. This distance is the same as your ring size, that you could wrap a piece of yarn or cord all around your finger and you spread it out here, and this would be the size that you need to have. So pick up your 0.8 millimeter wire and put it gradually on the areas that you had drawn on the paper. This would be the first, and I would double it because we have a 2-row wire here, and at the other side I would repeat this. And for each of these branches we need twice size of every straight line that exists here. So this would be the last one. If you consider one of them, that would be the same, and I would leave more space, about 1 centimeters, for little wraps and also these swirls and little loops here. So here I would cut this wire out, and I'm going to make this structure, and you cannot believe how easy that structure is as a prong setting. With your round nose pliers, start to make a loop, and that would be this part. So wrap your wire, and at this point we need to wrap it all around a cylindrical shape, as I always tell you. And today I'm going to show you how, even if this is not the same as your finger size, you could wrap it all around and open it up again and form that little by little. You just test it out. Whenever it's okay, this is your size, and here at this point this would be it. This is the line, this is it, and here we need to bend the wire a 90-degree bend. So pick up your round nose pliers, put it here, and make a 90-degree bend, and at the distance of this branch make another one. So again, with your round nose pliers, make a complete bend. Here it's more like a U shape, and we are going to push it and squeeze it with our chain nose pliers to achieve something like this. And this would be one of our branches here, and we are going to make 3 of them with bending this wire. And this is almost like the logo of Ben's company, 3 branches with 120-degree between every one of them. And we are going to continue this and making the other branch as well. All right, that is now our 3 branches, and we are going to wrap this tail all around this starting point, and we are going to squeeze it and rotate it just like this. And here we need to make another loop and the ring, of course. At the end and at the ending point, with our round nose pliers, we would make a loop like this. Now we have 2 of them, these 2 P-shaped loops, and this is so much better to have a joint and weaving part with adding our thinner wire of about 0.4 or 0.5 into one of these P-shaped loops, and then insert it to the other one and weave it a little so that you would have a joint in here. So we would do that and make a little weaving part here. Just pull it, and after you have made your first tie, you just continue that for about 2 or 3 times. This is the time to add your stone into this part, and this would be something like this. I mean, the 2 prongs would be at the top and 1 at the bottom to keep it tight. When you put your stone and determine the points that you are going to bend these prongs onto this stone. This would be done rough at first, and then with your chain nose pliers you would bend them completely, and then with your round nose pliers just bend these branches a little. That's something like this when you look at it in front view, and we continue that for all of them. Then you would open them up a little to insert the stone at the middle of these prongs, and now this is the time to fasten these prongs and put them tightly on the stone. So we use our chain nose pliers and we repeat it for the 2 others. This is almost done. If needed, you could just rotate parts so that they would sit in a right direction, or change the angle of these prongs if needed. And this would be the result, and you could just put it on and use it as your very beautiful wire ring. This is a synthetic stone, but you could also use any other kinds. And I would be happy to know about your favorite stone and color. So don't hesitate to share your comments. Hope you would make one and enjoy it so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care and bye bye.